And the homeboys just showed up.
Boy.
All at the same time again. You guys are planning this on me.
Nah, we're just coordinated.
There you go.
We're in sync.
We're in sync. Yo, for you OG LS swap homies, you guys remember Draper.
Oh yeah.
What's up, homie?
Back, boy.
He's back. Draper's on his tattoo game now, so he's about to ink us all up.
Follow me. Instagram.
Right, we'll put it right here.
Drizzy Drape with 3 Z's.
Shameless plug.
You get it.
You get
Yeah.
it.
You get it.
Drizzy just
Follow
drizzled
me
on me.
YouTube too.
All right, TJ, what is this ricey mod you're doing? Come on, show the viewers, show the viewers. I want to know, what's going on with the Sylvia today?
It's a double din. I fuck with them.
The touchscreen doubled in.
It's not touchscreen.
Is it?
No, I don't.
Why not?
That'd be stupid.
What? Look at it.
Maybe it is touchscreen. I don't know. We'll find out.
All right, guys, so today's a good day. B-Hall finally got some time. He's gonna come down today. He's gonna help me finish up the S13 engine bay. I know I was gonna finish it up I said I was gonna finish up last time, but things happen. Takes a lot of work. So hopefully finish the metal work, do a little bit of Bondo action, and we can get it all etched up, ready for primer. And then that should, happen really quick. But Donald's out here installing his nice touchscreen double dim radio. Has a parking brake sensor on it. Okay. Maybe it has like the warnings in it. That's pretty cool. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
What do you mean parking brake?
A lot of people from yesterday's video has been telling me that you have to actually reset the window on E36, like the regulator, the position sensor, whatever. I went to go do that, and now the window works. So who knows? But thank you guys for the suggestion. What's going on, Jimmy Oak's garage? I'll be right back.
Immediately.
Bye, Bri.
Oh my god.
What's up?
I made it.
Got here. I thought he had to go home. Get tools.
What's about to go down, B-Hall?
I don't know. We're gonna do more metal work on the engine bay that Jimmy apologizes for, that nobody cares about him apologizing for.
It's so accurate. It's not even funny.
I'm so happy B-Hall actually watches the videos. Thank you, buddy.
I watch most of them.
I support my friends.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. JimmyOGarage.com. Is that correct? Did I hear it?
Yeah, that's okay.
I heard it and repeated it, and the whole thing, it went well.
What did you do?
Bashed my finger for the 2nd time. Hurt really bad.
How to break a 1/4-inch ratchet 101. Here, just take you guys.
The stud is spinning.
Oh, DJ.
Hey,
What are we doing?
there.
What are we doing?
Hey there, subscribers.
So change the plans.
What, there is? It's kind of basically the same plans. I think I changed and then changed back. I was gonna see if we could, fix this up a little bit, but I think we're gonna change that whole other side, just like we did to this side.
Unfortunately, because this is, if you guys remember, I tried saving this like whole piece by just adding a lot of metal to it, and I think I made it worse.
Yeah, kind of. If you look, just point it from the inside.
No, I don't want to. Give me the light.
No, point it from the inside and then show the light.
Oh my God! That is so bad.
You never did that before.
There's quite a lot of metal back here, though. Okay, so my first trial of metal patching was quite a fail.
Yeah, but I mean, it's a learning experience. It's a learning channel. We're gonna learn together.
Okay.
You did this first, though, and then you did that small patch over here, and that is perfect. After you saw me do some other stuff, so
Thank you.
you learned, right?
I learned. I tried using the rust mover naval jelly to just kind of get rid of the rust, and it wasn't working that well. I did quite a few coats of it, and there's still a lot of rust left. So Brian Hall suggested another product, and this is a rust neutralizer. There's a better one. What's it called?
No, there's a few of them out there, but any of the ones that like neutralize rust, there's rust mort or whatever this product is.
Loctite. So this basically it neutralizes the rust so it won't spread, and it basically turns it into like a hard paintable substance. Right?
Yeah, it gives you something that you can sand and prep up for primer or whatever you want to put over.
Basically, if you guys are watching other metal prep videos, I was talking about how the previous owner did that in a few spots, so we're going to be doing the same thing, but a little bit better. Another good tip Brian Hall told me is, so you have to brush this on. Now, if you brush on rust and then dip it back in to brush it some more, I guess the rust particles that get in here will actually cause this whole freaking bottle to harden.
Yeah, it'll ruin the whole thing. So make sure when you use this stuff, you pour it into another container for use.
Some nice chocolate milk. I'm trying to be useful.
You're being useful.
You're always useful. Thank you, Phil. This stuff, it looks thin, but it lays on so thick. Like one little brush will do quite a bit of area. Look at that.
It reacts pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.
It's like brown in there, and then you can see it turned like purple right away.
Right, guys, so as you can see, it is now turning like a fluorescent purple. It's actually pretty cool. We got all the major rust spots going on here. A little up top, a little in the back. We're all good. Now, B-Hall is now sending it with a template on this one. DJ is still wiring his radio.
I'm not playing games.
How's the radio coming?
The wire colors are fucking different. Like,
Come on.
They're different.
Come on.
So I gotta look at the other. You didn't throw the other one out, did you? The one I threw at you?
No. At least the rust neutralizer kind of worked pretty fast. I'm impressed. So B-Hall, at this point, we could just kind of sand it smooth and paint over it.
Yeah, well, we're gonna kind of scuff up that surface, maybe put some Bondo over to some of the pitting if you want. I don't know if you were trying to cover that up. It would be fine too now. Or you can just lay primer down and then paint.
I remembered I just got like 3 things of sub mail, so we're gonna open them really quick. Why the heck not? Brian? DJ? You're such
your car.
That was on your hood. I thought it was a t-shirt. You said it was a t-shirt.
It's a heavy t-shirt. Garrett, open this one.
Is this underwear? Is this a Tucker outfit?
Oh no, is that a,
This might be a dog outfit. What is this? Oh my! I think it's a dog outfit.
No, it's a police uniform for Tucker. Oh my god. Tucker is a little
Tucker
thick.
in here.
That's incredible.
Oh my god. Yeah, he's a fat boy. He's gonna look just like his dad.
You got a bunch of beef jerky. You thought this was all gonna be t-shirts. It's beef jerky and
What?
a dog outfit.
We got a bunch of beef jerky. That's no way. That is an awesome freaking box.
Oh, it smells so good.
Package.
This is amazing. Beef jerky is so good, it's just so expensive. Well, whoever sent the jerky and the Tucker outfit, thank you guys. That is awesome. Garrett, what do we got over there?
This one is addressed to James Oakes. I'm not sure who that is, but let's see. Let's start here. We got some stickers and a nice letter here.
How would you
This-
pronounce
that was
this?
a T-shirt.
Genesis?
Genesis, I think. Got the matching tee.
Go straight to the name real quick and I'll read it. We got Joe Miller. P.S. I forgot to... Oh, there's his personal Instagram. Genesis PMX. With the pineapple. Thank you, guys.
Nice.
All right, guys. We have figured out how DJ could do the slow squat, but no one else can here. We finally cracked the code.
It's all
Sit down.
angles.
Ready? Watch this. Watch this. If you look, his feet are fully flat on the ground. Hence why it doesn't take much effort to stand in that position. For me, my feet have to be bent like this, so I have to do a lot of balancing, and it's not comfortable.
Try to make them flat.
But if I need to make them flat, that's as much as I got for a bend. Look at this degree. This is a solid 45 degrees. This right here, about a 75 degree angle. So if I try and sit, I just fall backwards. Slop squat, busted.
Now can we get B-Hall doing like a back handspring over here or whatever was happening before? Because we missed that. Found out he's a karate master, so suddenly he can do all this crazy stuff.
Yeah, fun fact about B Hall, he is like a triple black belt.
No, I was a second degree, but I guess I still am. Once a black belt, always a black belt.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it.
All right, let's see if I can do it anymore.
Mr. Miyagi would be proud.
Do the Matrix.
Straight Neo.
Can I do it this time?
Oh, your back is probably screaming.
Yeah. Very impressed. Very impressed.
Reeves,
Everyone,
hard out.
clap, come on. Get the claps.
There we go. Some real enthusiasm.
B-Hall has to cut out a little bit more than we anticipated. That's usually the name of the game, isn't it, B-Hall?
Yeah, it's not too bad. We're taking care of it.
This is an intricate bitch. You have a tapered bend that's tighter on one end than the other. You got angles in all different places on a bend.
I think we're doing pretty good.
I don't know how he does it, guys. Mr. Donovan Mam just showed up, and let's go do a little Don update and see how the SR swapped cookie is coming. It's getting there. She's been cleaned up one more time, scotch brighted, and then she's ready for paint.
Wait, why? Why?
I get better adhesion when you scotch bright it. You want it to be strong, don't you?
The primer?
Yeah, boy.
All right.
Ask B-Hall about it. That's what he told me. I don't know, but B-Hall told me to do it, so. Don's got the turbo elbow, courtesy of his girlfriend, hooked. And he's got a downpipe now, too, which is really, really sweet, courtesy of Travis, I think. And
No, I paid $20.
oh, a whole $20. Not bad, not bad, Donovan. But it's coming there. He actually got a wire harness coming in, hooked up by your boy, Randy, Illiminate. What's good?
Shout out to Randy.
Shout out to Randy. He's the
homie,
plug.
The plug.
Dude, you guys know who the Illiminate guys are. I don't even need to say it. You can probably guys sub to him. If you don't, check out their channel. Link in the description. I'll put Randy's Instagram right here. Randy, if you're watching this, thank you so much, man. You hooked it up. Really saving us big time by giving us a really fire deal on this kooky harness, dude. Don was going insane because we couldn't make his OEM work just because it was so cut up. But this is accelerating the project by definitely a month.
Specialties harness. Compliments from Randy.
So thanks to Randy, we'll be able to put this together probably a month in advance because of how expensive these harnesses actually are. So Randy, you're the man. Look at that freaking thing, dude.
Whoever patched it before, I don't know.
Fuck you guys. No matter how hard you tell yourself you're not going to look into the light, you will. You'll look into it at least once or twice.
I try not to.
Get in there, boy. About 120 more tacks to go. Give up on the radio?
Yeah, I'm pretty pissed off at it, to be honest. I'm never with it.
Don't whip it. I'll fix it. But DJ's been cleaning up his turbo, and it actually looks pretty good. I wish I did before and after, but it was a crusty boy. Not bad, Donald.
She's so small. She goes.
And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Mainly gentlemen.
Who are we kidding?
B. Hollington, how is it coming along?
Coming along all right.
Doing the pluggers?
Yeah, I'm a little tired. A little beat.
A little beat. A lot of beat. Can of beat.
Can be.
Last video on Metalwork, I swear, you can't rush stuff. Takes forever, even with B-Hall himself. Came out absolutely amazing. Once I grind all the metal down, it's gonna look perfect. We still gotta lay some Bondo down. Happy the rust neutralizer stuff actually seems like pretty solid. I'm pretty happy about it. Then we'll do all the basic steps of painting the engine bay, whatever. It'll get there, but I don't know. That's about it for today. I'm sorry you guys had to watch another video on metalworking, but part of the game. Now, unfortunately, I won't be posting a video tomorrow. I have to actually take a day off and catch up on a bunch of random stuff, and I have to do my taxes finally, unfortunately. Also, guys, a lot of guys have been asking about the lift because I said I ordered one. Now, it's been a little process. I ordered the lift. They messed up my card information, ended up pulling money from my account and then having to refund it. And it took forever, and now we kind of realize that the lift company is actually only about 2.5 hours away. So it's gonna save me a heck of a lot of money if we just go pick it up. We've been trying to organize a day to go up there because I gotta borrow a truck, so it's kind of unfortunate. But the lift will be here very, very soon. Just, of course, gotta find the day to go pick it up. So there's the update. Sorry, guys. That's it. Okay, I'm done. Can't wait for all the parts to come on the SR. I really wanna get this thing back together and in the goddamn car, but okay. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe.
Stay tuned for more content.
And
Have a good night, guys.